Remember the Glyph interface on Nothing phones? What if we remove that and replace it with something called the Glyph Matrix? Well, you get this, the Nothing Phone 3. Let's unbox it together. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So that was the quick unboxing of the Nothing Phone 3. So the third generation is finally out after 2 or 3 years missing since the Nothing Phone 2. And of course, those in between 2As, 3As are not the flagship. And this is the proper flagship. And guess what? Nothing kind of messed up the back design and it's not symmetrical anymore. If you look at the back, there are 3 different camera lenses, but they are not placed in a very symmetrical form like every other phones, okay? And speaking of the camera, the lenses are all 50 megapixels. Main camera 50, telephoto 50, ultra wide 50, and also the selfie camera in the front is also 50 megapixel. So like what I mentioned just now, when we remove the Glyph interface that everyone likes and replace with the Glyph Matrix, we get this new thing called the Glyph Matrix at the corner of the phone, okay? So let's really take a look and see what it can do. So with this Glyph interface with 489 bg of LED, right? Nothing gives us Glyph toys. Basically, all these Glyph toys are little widgets that we can see at the back. For example, the clock, the timer, the volume, and also spin the bottle. So in order to enable one game or a toy, all you need to do is press and hold on this button at the back here and it will activate. For example, the spin the bottle game is now playing and you can use this for drinking games or to have fun with your friends. So that is basically the biggest thing that comes with the Nothing Phone 3, okay? In order to know more and also my review, stay tuned to my next video. And if you want to see more of Nothing 3 content, don't forget to also subscribe to my channel and follow me on all social platforms. My Instagram is smashpop. You can see here, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Yo.